And welcome back to TSF Garages and TSF. A lot of the mods that I'm going to do are going to straddle the line between comfort, practicality, and coolness. So I hope you stick with us. So when I ride my 48, I don't feel safe. The Springer saddle is way too shallow and the leather is too smooth. Simple acceleration wants to launch me off the back. Any foot control work I need to do, I need to grab onto the drag bar and hold on. Otherwise, I will slide off. And that's not cool. First step to make this thing rideable is to replace the seat. I know I'm going to get some hate and some shade, but like the once great D-Bolt said, my 48 is not a one-off custom. I've seen many other 48s, circa 2017, all blacked out with Vance and Hines short shots, drag bar, etc. That being said, I kind of have a unique situation here. And what I'm thinking is that they took the stock fender, chopped it, and then rolled it forward, then drilled new holes to fit the Springer. And this presents a problem because the bolt holes, which were relocated during the custom work, now don't match up. So we got different holes. This whole thing was rotated forward, so these holes don't match up. These holes do not match. So we gotta do some fabricating. And this is a Harley seat. Which means I have to pull my own DIY maneuvers and get this to fit right. Harley used to simply weld a bolt to the fender underside, but what if the threads got stripped? Then you gotta have to replace the whole fender. Now they make hole mount kits that can be replaced if the unthinkable happens. I'll have an Amazon link in the video description. Now I've already pre-drilled this and put this whole receptacle female end already in here because I could not stand looking at my bike and not riding it. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put the tank back on. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna allow us to fit the front tab where it goes. And you can see the hole here. So you get it, you find the tab, you mark it, you punch where your center part is, then drill with the small bit, then a larger bit, and a larger bit. I use calipers to figure out the measurement. I think it was 3/8. $10mm. Drilled that hole through the center and then put this kit with the female end and then this little C-clamp clips in there to secure it. Boom, and there you have it. All the bolts were torqued up before I put the seat on permanently, but already there's a huge dip right here, much larger saddle to hold my ass in place. Okay, next up, Legend Revo A shot. Stay tuned, sub, hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time. TSF out.